Hi girls. Okay, this is just a short video to explain to you the format for your second assignment for EDU 6154 for instructional design. So for the second assignment, you will look at learner analysis, performance context, learning context, writing performance objectives, and assessment instrument. Okay, so the first one is learner analysis, and here's the grading criteria. So for example, here describes general characteristics of target population, describes general entry behaviors, describes prior knowledge of learners. Now, I've given you guiding questions. So if you look at this, the PowerPoint slides, for week 5 lesson 1, you will see the guiding questions. For example, for number 1, under learner analysis, what are the general characteristics of your target population? Okay, so include in your examples age, grade level, topic area, and so on and so forth. Right? And number 2, for example, here, are there any entry behaviors that are not specific to your goal and yet you feel are required for your intended learners to possess? So you do have to do a little bit of search to find out about the entry behaviors that are not specific to your goal. Okay, so there are a lot of guiding questions which could help you to answer the questions here. So for this section, learner analysis, performance context, and learning context, the format is similar to assignment 1, where you answer the questions first and then you summarize in sentences. Okay, moving to the writing performance objectives. Question 1 would be goal statement restated, terminal objective derived from goal statement. Okay, you do have to look at your goal statement and restate your goal statement, because some of the verbs that you use should be changed. Okay, that was my comment for most of your assignments. So how will this look like? Evaluate search results to select appropriate sites. This is step 4.0, which is your skill or sub-skill. Right? And how do you actually write the objective? Okay, you know that objectives will consist of 3 items. One is performance / behavior, second one is condition, and the third one is criteria. Alright, so break it down into these steps here. For example, number 1, performance or behavior. Okay. Alright, so what do you want in them under behavior? So you can state here, I want them to be able to select websites that are appropriate to their research topic. Okay, number 2, conditions. They will be given a research topic and a list of research items from Alta Vista that are related to that topic. Alta Vista is like our Google search engine. This one doesn't exist anymore. Okay, number 3, criteria. They should pick the 3 best sites from the list using the criteria that they were taught. So how do you combine all 3 and write the objective 4.0 for step 4.0? Given a research topic and a list of 10 Alta Vista search results, select the 3 sites from most appropriate to the research topic. So what you're doing here is to actually write the objective for each sub-steps and also subordinate skills. Okay, moving to the last section of assignment 2 is the assessment instruments, which you just learned yesterday, and we'll be learning again in our online class tonight. So these are questions that will guide you to answer guiding questions which will help you to accomplish or to complete this section. For each objective includes a description of what the learner will need to do in the assessment, so on and so forth. Guiding questions will be in the lecture PowerPoint slides. Now, example here, objective 4.0, this is taken from this section. So whatever that you have done in this section, you will look at it again under assessment instruments. So you ask these questions here. Number one, what will they need to do? Okay, so the answer is the learners should be able to select websites from a list of search results. Number two, what conditions will need to be provided? Okay, so the learners will need to be given a predetermined research topic and a list of actual Alta Vista search results related to that topic. Number three, we look at domain. So what domain is this? Intellectual skills, and it's under rules. Okay, so students have to apply a set of criteria in order to make a decision. And number four, this objective will require an objective style fill in the blank test item. So you have to decide what type of test item this is going to be. Is it going to be fill in the blank? Is it going to be multiple choice question, and so on? So you have to determine it here. As the students will have to write down the three most appropriate sites based on certain criteria. So when you write your test item 1, okay, you put everything together and you write it this way. Take a look at the following Alta Vista search results. Okay, show screen capture of search results here at this point. Which three websites are likely to have specific and relevant information dealing with the subject of life on Mars? Okay, so this is an example for your assignment 2, which includes analyzing learner, writing performance objectives, and assessment instrument. Okay, I'll see you all once you come back from your Singapore trip and your semester break. Bye.